If you want to connect SurveyMonkey with Zoom, this quick tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. This is a great setup if you want to streamline your meetings, connect your survey workflows, and make it easier to gather feedback through Zoom. Whether you're setting this up for webinars, customer interviews, team feedback, or post-meeting surveys, this integration can save you time and keep everything organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you manage multiple accounts, double check that you're using the one you want connected to Zoom, because that will make the rest of the process much smoother. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps account-related settings and integration options. After you click your profile, a menu should appear with several account tools and settings. From that menu, click on Apps and Integrations. This is the section where SurveyMonkey lets you connect with other platforms and tools. It's the right place to manage third-party app connections, including Zoom. Once you're inside the Apps and Integrations area, find Zoom and click on it. SurveyMonkey should take you to the Zoom integration page, where you can review the connection details and see what the integration will allow you to do. This step is important because it helps confirm you're connecting the correct app before you install anything. Now click Install. SurveyMonkey will begin the connection process and may redirect you to a Zoom sign-in or authorization screen. If prompted, log in with your Zoom account credentials. Make sure you choose the correct Zoom account, especially if you use Zoom for both personal and business meetings. After logging in, review the permissions carefully. This is where Zoom may ask you to approve access so SurveyMonkey can communicate with your Zoom account. If everything looks correct, continue and approve the connection. Once that's done, the integration should be installed successfully. At this point, SurveyMonkey and Zoom are connected, and you can start using the integration features available to your account. Depending on your setup, this may help you link survey workflows with Zoom-related activities and keep your data more connected across both platforms. If you ever need to check the integration again later, you can always return to Apps and Integrations inside SurveyMonkey and manage the Zoom connection from there. That's useful if you want to review settings, reconnect the app, or remove access when you're finished. And that's it. You've successfully connected SurveyMonkey with Zoom in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.